What's the truth about quiet people? Let's dive into 10 surprising psychology facts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of quiet people, also known as introverts. You know the type? They might seem a little reserved, enjoy listening more than talking, and maybe even crack you up with their dry humor. But here's the thing. There's so much more to quiet people than meets the eye. We're about to explore 10 mind-blowing psychological facts that will make you see quiet people in a whole new light. And hey, you might even discover something about yourself. Fact number 10. Quiet doesn't equal shy. Just because someone's quiet doesn't mean they're shy. Shyness is about social anxiety, while being quiet is more about preferring quieter environments to recharge. Fact number 9. Masters of observation. Quiet folks are like human ninjas of observation. They soak up everything around them, making them incredible listeners and people watchers. Fact number 8. Power of the pause. Ever noticed how a well-timed pause can be even more powerful than a word avalanche? Quiet people are the kings and queens of the strategic pause, using silence to add emphasis and meaning. Fact number 7, introvert powerhouses. Albert Einstein, anyone? Yep. Many highly successful people throughout history have been introverts. They often excel at deep thinking, focus, and independent work. Fact number 6, champions of quality conversations. Quiet people might not chat non-stop, but when they do speak, their words tend to carry weight. They value quality conversations over small talk. Fact number 5, they're creative chameleons. Who says quiet people can't be creative? They might express themselves through writing, music, art, or even mind-blowing inventions, all while rocking their introverted awesomeness. Fact number 4, don't hate the crowd, just need to escape it. Quiet people can enjoy social gatherings, but they also need alone time to recharge their mental batteries. It's not that they hate people, they just need a break from the stimulation. Fact number 3, introverts and intuition, a match made in brain heaven. Studies suggest introverts may be more in tune with their intuition. So next time your quiet friend has a hunch, listen up. It might be a golden nugget. Fact number 2, less drama, more peace. Quiet people often tend to avoid drama and conflict. They value peace and harmony, making them excellent mediators and calming presences. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click that like button. Fact number 1, you might be more introverted than you think. Introversion exists on a spectrum. You might surprise yourself by realizing you have some introverted tendencies. So there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing facts about quiet people. Did you recognize yourself in any of these? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fascinating psychology videos. See you next time, and thank you for watching.